Hi, this is Munib, growth strategist at Growth Beyond Horizon, and today I am going to explain Amazon Arbitrage, one of the easiest ways to make money on Amazon without your own products. Simply put, Amazon Arbitrage is buying products at a lower price from retail stores or online and selling them on Amazon for a profit. Retail arbitrage is in store shopping like Walmart or Target, while online arbitrage is buying from websites at discounts and reselling. The process is simple. Find a product that sells for more on Amazon than you pay. Buy it, list it on Amazon, FBA or FBM, and collect the profit when it sells. Tools like Keepa, Helium 10, or Scoutify can help you check profitability and track prices. Start small, check fees, and avoid high risk purchases. Amazon arbitrage is popular because it's low risk, requires minimal upfront investment, and teaches you the marketplace fast. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to Growth Beyond Horizon, and comment below if you want me to show the exact tools I use to find winning arbitrage products. See you in the next video.